Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to bulk edit issues in Jira. All right, so let's begin with the video. First, open Jira and navigate to the project you want to work on. Once you're in, switch to the basic search mode by clicking on the basic option. This makes it easier to quickly find the issues you need without using complex filters or JQL queries. For example, if you want to edit all issues marked as to do, click on the status dropdown and select to do. This will automatically filter your results to show only the relevant issues. Once you have your filtered list, it's time to start the bulk change process. Look towards the right-hand side of your screen, and I click on three dots, then select Bulk Change Work Items from the menu. This option lets you apply actions to multiple issues simultaneously. You'll now see a list of issues that match your selected criteria. Carefully select the checkboxes next to the issues you want to modify, then click Next to move on. At this stage, Jira will prompt you to choose the type of operation you want to perform. Select Edit Issues and click Next again. Now comes the customization part. You'll see several editable fields such as assignee, priority, status, or labels. Select the specific fields you want to update and enter the new values. Once you've entered all the new details, click Next to move on to the review screen. This step is crucial. Here, Jira summarizes all the changes that will be applied. When you're satisfied, click the Confirm button. Jira will process your changes and apply them across all selected issues. Depending on the number of tickets, this may take a few seconds to complete, and that's it. So that is how you can bulk edit issues in Jira. So that's all for this video. Thanks.